Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. Every spring, as the snow melts and I walk around my neighborhood, I see images like this. It really makes me sad how careless people can be with their trash. So in today's video, I'm making something from scrap bits that I had laying around the shop that'll help me clean up the neighborhood and take out the trash. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed that video where I made this garbage spike. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I came up with this idea before the current pandemic, and I just wanted to say a few words about that. First, if you're going to do this, make sure you wear the proper PPE. And even then, right now may not be the best time to go out and pick up garbage. Personally, I stopped picking up trash once I saw some discarded masks and gloves on the ground. I didn't think it was worth risking my health to pick up a couple of old coffee cups. Once this whole thing blows over, I really think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, and I'll be back out there to make sure it's nice and clean for the next time. Until then, cheers, and have a great day.